The Supreme Court has reserved its judgment in the case against inclusion of secular and social words in the Indian Constitution's preamble. The judgment is to be declared on Monday as the constant interruptions by intervenors on the petition side prompted CJI Sanjiv Khanna to delay the judgment readout to Monday. Hearing a batch of petitions challenging the inclusion of the words socialist and secular in the preamble to the Constitution as per the 42nd Amendment passed in 1976, Chief Justice of India Sanjiv Khanna and Justice Sanjay Kumar refused the petitioners' plea to refer the matter to a larger bench. The petitioners include Balram Singh, senior BJP leader Subramanian Swamy, and advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay. Notably, during the former Chief Justice of India DY Chandrachud's tenure, the Supreme Court had dismissed a petition of similar nature in late October. The petitioners have argued that one ideology, particularly socialism, cannot be forced upon an entire country whether they want to follow the said ideology or not. However, the court pointed out that no one is being forced to follow any ideology, and socialism in the Indian context is different. Quote, "The way we understand socialism in India is very different from other countries. In our context, socialism primarily means a welfare state. That is all. It has never prevented the private sector, which is thriving well. We have all benefited from it. The word socialism is used in a different context, meaning that the state is a welfare state and must stand for the welfare of the people and shall provide equality of opportunities," unquote, CJI Khanna said. The CJI also pointed out that secularism has been a part of the basic structure of the Constitution in the SR Bommai case. Another argument made against these words being in the preamble was the way they were added. The words were added during the emergency period of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's tenure. Unlike the two petitioners, one Mr. Upadhyay claimed he was not against the concepts of socialism and secularism, but was against the illegal insertion of these words into the preamble. CJI Khanna replied that the amendment power under Article 368 of the Constitution also extended the preamble, as it is a part and parcel of the Constitution and not separate from it. Meanwhile, Dr. Subramanian Swamy, longtime politician, claimed all parties in power, including BJP, after this amendment continued to support the inclusion. The question, according to him, is whether it should be added as a separate paragraph to the preamble, instead of saying that in 1949 it was adopted as socialist and secular. When an intervenor sought to make submissions, CJI pointed out that the bench had not even issued a notice on these petitions. As CJI Khanna was about to dictate the order, the intervenor kept interrupting. Ultimately, CJI deferred the pronouncement to Monday. In an earlier hearing, the court observed that secularism has always been held as a part of the basic structure of Constitution.